Hey guys, so I wanted to do a quick video to show you how I make my bulletproof coffee. And I think it's so important for people to understand not only the amazing mental and physical benefits of bulletproof coffee, but also how to make it the right way. Because a lot of people are not making it the right way. I've found, and I think it's just important to educate people on how to make it and why you're making it this way. First I start off, if I'm making 1 cup of bulletproof coffee, I start off with 8 ounces of brewed coffee. Lately I'm doing mine in a Keurig, but you can do it in a French press. You can use like black coffee, but you're doing 8 ounces of brewed black coffee. This is a blender cup for my Ninja. The type of coffee I use, sometimes I use the Bulletproof brand, sometimes I use another brand. This is the Starbucks brand, but I want you to see here that it says single origin. That means it's not gone through all the chemical processing that most coffees go through. So I use single origin coffee, and I like this Colombian flavor because it's got kind of a nutty taste to it. Then I start off with 1 tablespoon of grass-fed butter. So see, that's about a tablespoon. I'm gonna drop that in there. This is the brand that I use. It's called Vital Farms, and I get unsalted, and you'll see it says pasture raised. And this is a very reputable company. It's grass-fed butter. You don't want to use things like margarine. I don't even use regular butter for this. I use grass-fed. Kerrygold is another brand of grass-fed butter. You can use both of these. You can find at Walmart. Margarine is a whole nother video. It's super harmful. I think of it as liquid cancer, so I don't keep margarine in my house at all. Then I use a tablespoon of XCT oil, or this is a very great brand, Bulletproof brand of high-grade coconut oil that has MCTs. Now you can buy MCT oil at Walmart. You can also use unrefined coconut oil, but this is the best thing to use is the high-grade MCT oil, or this says XCT, but that's what it is. So I use a tablespoon of that. I'll just drop it in there. And then I like to put a little bit of cinnamon. Just add some good flavor to it. And sometimes if I really want a kind of a mocha vibe, I will do a little organic cacao powder. And it has all kinds of antioxidants in it, so I'll just do a little bit of that today. And I a lot of times add stevia, just a little bit. This is the brand that we use in my house because this is what my husband loves. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to blend it for about 30 seconds. You don't want to not blend it. If you don't blend it, it will not be good. So whether you use a blender, a mixer, or you want to use a blender, or sometimes they have those little coffee stirrer blenders. Those are okay too. But I'm going to show you what happens when you blend it and why it's so important. Okay, so I am back and I've blended, and as you can see, you've got this thick layer of natural foam. That's why you want to blend it. It's amazing. So I just pour that into my mug and I'm ready to roll. So Bulletproof coffee, the reason that I have been drinking it for the last 4 years, and the reason why I believe so strongly in it, is for the amazing mental and physical health benefits that high quality fats plus the coffee can do for your brain and your body. Honestly, I've had so much more mental focus, the fat burning within my body since I started using it. And so this is a really great component to maybe some health changes that you've already made. that just gets your day started on the right foot. And honestly, I know a lot of people in this country are afraid of fat. Back in the 50s and 60s, a doctor named Ansel Keys published some false research that led to this low-fat, fat-free craze and the fear of fat in our country. But high-quality fats are so important because they actually help you burn fat and improve your mental focus by so much. And so your brain cannot run on sugar. Your brain runs on fat. And so this is super important. It also helps me to be more of a fat burner and not a sugar burner. So I replaced my favorite Starbucks drinks with this, and honestly, I don't even crave anything else anymore. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to message me. Have a great day.